If you spend quality time with the Quran, there's going to be an increase and a decrease. Quality time. Not time in close proximity. What we do in Ramadan is time in close proximity. I open the Quran. This is time in close proximity. We put the Quran next to us in our car. No, quality time with the Quran. ما جالسه أحد إلا وقام عنه بزيادة ونقصان. You must experience an increase and a decrease. What is the increase? An increase in enlightenment, an increase in wisdom, an increase in knowledge, and a decrease in blindness and confusion. A mu'min is not meant to be confused. A mu'min is not meant to be confused. Allahu waliyyu alladhina amanu yukhrijuhum min adh-dhulumati ila an-nur. A mu'min is not even meant to be indecisive. A mu'min has to have a clear vision. The Quran provides you with that.